these on? Hang on, I'm getting paged. Okay, well the last thing I can recommend then is to change the power cord out. If it still doesn't come up, you're going to need a new power supply. Let's get another page, I gotta go, okay? Thanks. You know, this is getting out of hand. I get pages all day long, my cell phone rings off the hook. You know, where's the promise of technology? And we were told that computer systems are going to make our lives easier. What we're finding, though, is that systems are not as reliable and as fault tolerant as they need to be. There's got to be a better way.
Hey, Bob, what's up?
Oh, man, my pager keeps going off, phone going off. You know, problems are stacking up, Dave. We don't have enough time to get it all done these days.
Yeah, it sounds like you need a better solution.
I need a vacation.
Talk to your boss. You know, at Novell, we've been providing highly available solutions as part of our core systems for years. That's what we built our company on. But things continue to change. Technology is driving us forward, and the net's changing things at a fantastic rate. Customers are really asking us for more. These are the kinds of things customers are really looking for. First of all, they need reliable access to data and applications, regardless of fault failures in the hardware or software. We just can't stand downtime anymore from our business systems. Even when it comes to things like maintenance. Maintenance is no longer a capability you can do at 2 o'clock in the morning, because with the worldwide economy, our systems have to be up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have to be able to control and manage these applications and these systems as one single system image, be able to do it for both the manager and the end user. And the web just continues to drive our need for storage. We need more and more from our disk subsystems. This is how Novell will move to meet these needs. First of all, by enhancing the OS reliability of a platform that's already regarded in the industry as the most stable out there. Most people think that Novell should just refer to their network platform as the platform that works. We need to maintain that reputation. Also, we provide today and will continue to enhance our high availability solutions through both Novell's offerings and also third parties. And lastly, we are working to build true clustering solutions based on the NetWare and intra-network platforms. First of all, Novell's operating system today is considered extremely reliable. We pioneered features like SFT, disk mirroring, duplexing. The idea of hot swap PCI has been supported in Novell platforms since its existence. And with our 411 platform, the idea of ab-end recovery, or the system that can recover automatically for a fault, was a key feature. And in our next version of the platform, codenamed Moab, or today even called NetWare 5, we're continuing to enhance the reliability with features like memory protection, virtual memory, a Java virtual machine, and enhancements to the hot plug PCI architecture. You know that Novell will deliver on these because our credibility comes from our history. Ever since 1985, Novell has been delivering fault-tolerant solutions, starting with disk solutions and moving through features like duplexing, imaging between two machines with our SFT3 technology, and also with our partnerships like Vinca and its standby server technology. We're partnered very closely with Vinca and continue to offer a wide variety of solutions in those areas. But we really need to talk about the things that Novell has been delivering and really how they work.